Hello, I'm Nikhil. Today I'll walk you through the process of sending bulk messages using a CSV file in ValueText. This feature allows you to send personalized messages to a large group of recipients in just a few simple steps. Start by downloading the sample CSV file provided in the system. Once downloaded, open the file and fill all the necessary information such as recipient details and custom fields. Navigate to the Upload section and select your completed CSV file. After the file is uploaded, click Next to proceed. Here you can link the message content to specific records such as contacts or any other relevant data. This ensures the personalization fields like name, email or phone number match the intended recipients. For demo purpose, I'll choose the contact. Choose the sender ID. Pick a pre-approved template from the available list and also give the template access. Once selected, the template content will automatically appear in the message box. If required, you can upload files or media attachments directly from the screen. Now you can see the preview. If all looks good, click Next to proceed. Here you can also schedule the message. Select this and select the start date, time of delivery, and the recipient's time zone for timely delivery. Or if you don't want this, just simply click on the send now to execute the messages immediately. So this is a quick overview of how to send bulk messages using a CSV file. This process is efficient and help you reach out to audience effectively. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to contact our support team. We are here to assist you. Thank you.